Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. L. Manju Bhargavi, Assistant Professor, JFGC, Madhugiri. Course BCom, subject Commerce, paper Corporate Accounting 1, and the topic Valuation of Goodwill. Let's see the topics covered under this session. Introduction, methods of valuation of goodwill, average profit method, capitalization method, super profit method, and annuity method. The objectives of this learning would be introduction, methods of valuation of goodwill, average profit method, capitalization method, super profit method, and annuity method. The session outcome would be the students will be able to understand the concept of methods of valuation of goodwill, average profit method, capitalization method, super profit method, annuity method. Let's have the introduction part of this session. Goodwill is the value of the reputation of a firm built over time with respect to the expected future profits over and above the nominal profits. Average profit method. Under this method, the value of goodwill is calculated by multiplying the adjusted average annual profits by the number of years purchased. The formula would be value of goodwill equal to adjusted average annual profits into number of years of purchase. Steps for valuation of goodwill under average profit. There are various steps to calculate. The first step would be calculation of adjusted profits or adjusted future profits or maintainable profits. Step 2 would be calculation of adjusted average profits. After ascertaining the adjusted profits, it is necessary to find out the adjusted average profits. It can be ascertained by using any of the following methods. Simple average profit method, weighted average profit method. Capitalization method. This would be the second method of valuing the goodwill. The capitalization method can be subdivided into two types. Capitalization of average profits and capitalization of super profits. Let's see the steps for valuation of goodwill under capitalization of average profits method. There are three steps. The first step would be calculation of adjusted average profits. Second step would be calculation of total value of the business. And the third one, finally, we will calculate the value of goodwill. This would be the third step. Let's see super profit method. Super profit is the difference between the average profits earned by the business and the normal profits based on the normal rate of return. The below information are required to find out the super profits. ಏನದು ಮೂರು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇದು ದ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್, ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, and the third point would be the fair value of average capital employed in the business. Steps for valuation of goodwill under super profit method. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ calculation of adjusted average profits, and the step 2 would be calculation of average capital employed, and the step 3 would be calculation of normal profits. Step 4 would be calculation of super profits, and step 5 would be calculation of the goodwill. So let's see the last annuity method. Under this method, the goodwill of the concern is ascertained by taking into account the present value of any annuity for a certain number of years at a certain rate of interest. The super profit of the business is multiplied by the present value of the rupee ascertained from annuity tables. So the value of goodwill of the business can be calculated as follows. Goodwill of the firm equal to super profit into annuity value. Thank you so much. Thank you, students, for your attention. And that's all in this session. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you for your cooperation.